These gotta be one of the coldest Air Forces to come out in a minute. So if you guys have been watching for a while, you already know when it comes to like unique Air Forces, especially in all white, I gotta hop on the train. As soon as I saw these Billie Eilish Air Forces, it was a no-brainer. I love the design. I love the way she did her thing. I wish there were like some interviews of her talking about, you know, the inspiration behind the design instead of having to read the boring old Nike description. It didn't really tell me much about these. I don't really understand too much of why she chose this. It said something along the lines of like her contemporary modern style or something, which kind of makes sense. On the box, we can see it's hard to stop it once it starts, right? Then we have her logo on there, Nike Air. I did end up going with the size 12. If you do decide to pick these up, which I believe they're still for sale, you can cop them down below. But they do run true to size. Everyone loves the Air Force, the typical all-white Air Force. I'm a huge fan of getting Air Forces that are just different, right? When I say different, we have something like the acronym Air Force right here with this cool zipper. These are super expensive now, which is just unfortunate. But when they first came out, nobody really cared too much about them. Then we have like the John Elliott Air Force. Again, just some different little hints to it. You guys can see how the Nike is kind of dug into the leather. Another cool white shoe. Then of course we have our Travis Air Forces in like the sail colorway. The thing about white sneakers, man, is just, it's a shoe that you can wear with anything. It is timeless, it'll never look bad. And when you're spending this kind of money on shoes and you know, maybe might be that one person to cop a pair once a year, go with white. I love seeing collaborations like this just to see what artists can come up with. We have a cork insole. This gives me those old throwbacks of the LeBron all cork sneaker, you know, which I will say, these are decently comfortable. I don't really know how cork insoles is gonna go over. Maybe we'll do an update after I wear these a few times, but I'm definitely keeping those cork insoles in. These shoes low-key just remind me of like a fire pair of like patchwork pants, you know what I mean? It would have been cool if Billie would have dropped something with Nike, like some patchwork nylon pants or something like that. It would have been dope to see. Now, like I was saying, if you do decide to pick up a pair, which the majority of sizes seem like they're still available on Nike, just go true to size. If you really wanna be specific, some people feel like Air Forces run big, and I mean, over time, they will only like kind of stretch out. So you can go half a size small. So if you wear a 9, go with an 8.5. That shouldn't be an issue either. I just like to go true to size on all my sneakers and I haven't had an issue with that. But typically Air Forces do run a little bit bigger. And I like having some room in my shoes. Now yeah, check those out. Honestly, just a piece of art. That's the best thing about shoes and sneakers, right? Is just not only the artist behind them, the history behind the sneaker in general, but them just looking fire on feet, feeling good. On these tabs, we even have Billie's logo. And with the light wash jeans, even if I threw on some black jeans, it would look beautiful. Like I said, I mean, you could wear any color jeans, beige, khaki, burgundy, olive, like it's all gonna go with a white sneaker like this. These gotta be one of the coldest Air Forces to come out in a minute. Here's a little fit check, staple top, Abercrombie jeans, Billie's. I'll scoop these 10 out of 10. I'm honestly surprised they didn't sell out. Just being an Air Force, and I mean, you throw these up on TikTok one time and they'll just go nuts. There it is, man. That is the Billie Eilish triple white Air Force. Wasn't really feeling any of the other colors, but I'm excited to see what else she can come up with. This is your boy Sneaker Life. Don't forget to check out this video. I'll catch you on the next one.